Hello, looking at this very funny algebraic equation, it would be wrong to say that since x is common, so we can say that y is equal to 9x. So x cancels x, so y is 9. So what are we saying? This answer is this. Is as simple as no, that is wrong. That will be very wrong if you take that step. So what do we do here in this case? Let's bring our 9x to the other side. So we have what? SS solution xy minus 9x is equal to 0. We'll be left with 0 here. By the time you bring this one here. And so what is common now? What is common? X is common. So you can say x into y minus 9, because x is common is equal to 0. So in this expression now you can say what? X is equal to 0 or what? Y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay? And when you transfer 9 to the other side here, you have what? X equals to 0 now, or y is equals to 9. So the correct answer here is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 9. Bye.